In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put a video within text here in Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to go ahead and put a video inside text and have that effect here within Premiere Pro, this is the video for you. Begin by putting your video on the timeline. After that, go ahead and select the type tool and click on your preview window and type out your text. In this case, I'm just going to type sample just like so. And in fact, I'm going to change the font real quick as well. Once you have your text, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to this effect section over here and search for the effect track matte key. Go ahead and drag this onto your video clip. After doing so, click on your video clip and open up the effect controls, and you're going to want to look for that track matte key effect and expand this matte dropdown right here and select the video where your text is currently located. In my case, it's in video 2. So I'm going to select video 2, and as you can see, it's going to go in there. Now, just a pro tip, I recommend using like a bold font just so this shows a little bit more, just because a smaller font's not going to show that much. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.